Looking all around at the people I see, everybody's living the dream. Starring in the show that we film on our phones, taking photos for pretend magazines. I don't want silver, don't want the bronze. I won't play party, I play the fines. Every time I see a shiny thing on a screen, I think, hey, maybe that could be me. Everybody's running, running after something golden, golden. We won't stop running till we get that something golden, Looking over there at the grass at your place, wondering why it's greener than mine. While you're looking over here at my studio space, wishing that you had that kind of time. I don't want silver, don't want the bronze. I won't play party, I play the fines. Try to keep my head down and just not care. But then, hey, what's that over there? Everybody's running, running after something golden, golden. We won't stop running till we get that something golden, Everybody's running, running after something golden, golden. We won't stop running till we get that something golden. Hey, 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 give me that Grammy, give me that glow. I can't till my top shelf overflows. We're running, running after something golden, golden.
Hey everybody, thank you for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I just wanted to showcase a few ways that we can maintain social distance when we come back to school on Tuesday. We miss you guys so much and we're so excited for you guys to come back. We just want to make sure you guys stay healthy so we can finish off this school year right. Thank you guys. Have a great weekend.
I don't want silver, don't want the bronze. I won't play party, I play the fines. Every time I see a shiny thing on a screen, I think, hey, maybe that could be me.